Hey guys, it's ArchieLuxury, and today I want to make a very, very serious video here. Today I've been bequeathed a beautiful luxury item, and this is an item that comes from Japan, and I've got a beautiful, beautiful story here that goes with this particular item. Dear Archie-san, it goes, my employer was Mr. Yamamoto, and he was a fan of ArchieLuxury channel YouTube. He won't give present to honorable entertainer, method actor Paul Pluto. It goes on to say here, Mr. Yamamoto was a huge viewer of my YouTube video and wanted to leave a special gift. Mr. Yamamoto worked for many years for Mitsubishi Heavy Industrial. He was non-executive director, one of the non-executive director. He wanted to give special gift. This was his good farewell present from Mitsubishi Heavy Industrial. He liked the finer thing in life. He leave for you special instruction. Okie dokie, very, very good indeed there. He had, this is a, it's a, he's just telling me, he's giving me, they're giving me a Louis Vuitton President Classier in Adios. Archie, we know you had one before you sold because of personal reasons. Yes, I was broke. Please accept this gift. This is very significant to Mr. Yamamoto. He instructed the briefcase to be installed with his favorite Japanese adult magazine. Yes, sir. And his ashes were transported from, it says burning place, I think they mean crematorium, to his family tomb in the briefcase. Okay. Hey, that's okay. That's okay. Hey, be respectful. We give briefcase to you, clean well by Vuitton Tokyo. Please find honorable spot to cherish this gift. His wife didn't want it in the house. Okay, fair enough. Yeah, so there we go there. That's a bit of a gift. It's a bequeef. So I've got a unboxing video coming up. Yeah, so there you go. It's a bequeath from Japan, Mr. Yamamoto. I would like to honestly, I would honestly like to say thank you, Mr. Yamamoto's family and his executive assistant and wife and children. Thank you very much for the honorable gift. I will cherish such kindness. Thank you, and I will ensure it is treated with respect and utmost dignity. I thank you for your wonderful, kind gesture. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. I promise to cherish these luxury goods. Let's have an unboxing video. Mr. Yamamoto Mitsubishi Heavy Industrial. Hi guys, ArchieLuxury, and who do I recommend in America? In America, who do I recommend for quality pre-owned wristwatches? David SW, David SW, David SW. Go to davidsw.com. He is the best, the greatest pre-owned dealer in all of the United States of America. David SW, David SW, David SW. Hey guys, ArchieLuxury on the ArchieLuxury and the Paul Plitter channel. Today guys, I got a bit of a gift in. This is a gift. Someone's sent me this gift here. And let's take a look and let's do a bit of an unboxing for the audience. So let's do an unboxing. So I've got my skizzers. Let's open this baby up and let's have a look. Beautifully packaged. This is a gift from a fan, which I have no idea what they've sent me. Da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da. What have they sent me here? Da-da-da-da. What the hell is this? Oh, big box, Archie. Bubble wrap. What the hell? Oh my god. Some sort of, let's have a look here, guys. Interesting box. Okay, we're going to put that to the side. We may use that again. What sort of, okay, let's get those. Let's have a look. Okay, let's have a look here, guys. This is a gift. This is a fan of mine from Japan, believe it or not. This was an item which his father used, and he knew I was a bit of a collector, and he sent me this. Let's have a look. It's double, triple, quadruple wrapped. It's like just how the Japanese do things. Okie dokie, we'll take that out now. Da-da-da-da. Okie dokie, now we've got this sort of, it's like a cheap 90. My God. It's a briefcase. My God. It's a briefcase. Wow. It's a President briefcase in leather. My God. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. A few little scuff marks on it, but nothing terrible. Nothing terrible indeed. Louis Vuitton briefie. Beautiful. It's even got a hang tag and some keys. Beautiful. There you go, guys. What do you think of that? That's beautiful. thank you. Thank you. There we go. Mr. Okimura, thank you for your generous gift on the ArchieLuxury channel. I want to promote KK Design, which is a San Diego-based interior designer who specializes in full-service residential and boutique-style commercial spaces from start to finish. Reach her and check out her work at www.katek.design. Kate K all the way. I want to introduce a new company. This is Fame City Property Solutions. That's correct. They're located in Northeast Ohio. And Fame City Property Solutions replaces non-efficient lights with energy-saving LED lighting. Now, I got to tell you, the guys at Fame City, they will install energy-saving LED lights at office buildings, commercial warehouses, home improvement stores, grocery stores, schools, parking lots, and other residential homes. Now, you can email these guys at famecitypropertysolutions@gmail.com. That's all one word there. famecitypropertysolutions@gmail.com.
Don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh, honey.